Hello everyone. My name is Foxy, and I am the founder of Foxy Pet Crushers. We collect and crush plastic soda bottles, what most people call waste, and turn it into something valuable. Let me share my story with you. I started this business with nothing big. I noticed how plastic bottles were everywhere, on the ground, on the streets. I asked myself, can this waste become something useful? So I started learning. I gathered bottles, looked for buyers, and slowly moved into crushing. Now, we run a full crushing operation. This YouTube channel is for people who want to sell plastic bottles, people who want to start a recycling business, and people who want to learn how plastic waste can become money. Please subscribe, comment "I'm ready," and follow my journey. I will be sharing everything I know, step by step. Let's grow together.